Hello and welcome to LAS GEOSPATIAL, and in this quick video tutorial I want to show you how you can convert a point cloud from LAS to RCP. Now whenever you fly a drone, you acquire the overlap satellite imagery and you process it on any of the software, whether it is Drone Deploy or Cinema 4D, Pix 4D, sorry, either it is Pix 4D or Drone Deploy, or it's inside the ArcGIS Pro Reality mapping. One of the things that is striking is that what you have will be a LAS file, which is in laser format. Now if you want to use it on AutoCAD Civil 3D, or you want to use it on Revit, there is need for you to convert it to a format that is accepted by them. So you can see, if I click on this, you see that it's written LAS, even though it's showing AutoCAD layer state, but the point is in LAS format. So we're going to be using the software by Revit called ReCap Pro to do this conversion. So let's get started. So I'm just going to search for ReCap Pro. So we have Autodesk ReCap. Now this software requires license, and I have a video in one of my YouTube channel that shows how you can get a student license and in Autodesk, any of them. So I already have a license, and you can see that mine is showing ReCap Pro, though you are not going to see it because I cut off that place so that you didn't see my license. But once your license is activated, you will see that you have Autodesk ReCap Pro. So once you have ReCap Pro, this is the interface of it. So there are other Autodesk sample file that you can play around with and all of that, but we want to go to new project. I will click on project. Now you see there are two things here. You have imports, you see point cloud, and we have photo to 3D. Now I have not explored this, but with time we're going to export this, but this is what we're interested in. So we're going to click on import point cloud. So first we're going to create a project. I'm just going to name the project LAS GEOSPATIAL, and then the folder which you wanted to save. So I'm just going to use maybe desktop, and then I'm going to click on select folder. So it's on desktop, and then it's going to be packaged inside this LAS GEOSPATIAL. So I'm going to click proceed. Now when you click on proceed, you're going to come to this interface. Now there are instances where you want to import file, just the file, you click here. If you want to import the folder, you click here, and then you can drag and drop. You can just drag this, and Windows Windows 11 has issue with drag and drop, so let's leave that. So you just click on this and you go to desktop, and then we have map, point cloud. So this point, we click on it and we click on open. So it's going to open. You will see that the intensity is clipping and showing 100. So the next, you click on import. That's the first step. Now the second step is that you can either allow this to cycle around before you index it, or you can index and wait for it to finish so that you can launch. So I'm just going to click on index. So you see it's already at 50%, but we have to wait for, in order to launch the project, we have to wait until this is 100%. So it's 100%, the indexing is 100% already. So we'll just click on launch the project. So the moment we click on launch, you see that because of the speed of the system and all of that, my entire cloud point is already here. All right. So, but what we want to do is, we're not doing anything here now. What we want to do, we just want to export the file. Now if you don't have a Pro, it won't work. So all you need to do is to come to this thing that look like a home, and then you go towards this direction. You see this drop down, then you come down to this, and then you see export. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it will take you to a folder where it wants you to save your work. So I'm just going to put it in that folder where the work is. So I'm going to name it point cloud. So you can see that the type is save as. So we have save as unified RCP, unified RCS. So either of these two versions will work in Revit or Civil 3D. So when I've done that, I will just click on save, and then it's going to give you some warning, but don't bother about it. Just click on let's go, unify my project scan. So you just click, and it will take 5 seconds to 1 minute, and it will be exported. But you need a system anyway. You need a good system with graphic card. That's the only advice, because I know what it does to me before I'm exporting. So this is a LAS RCP, Revit, Civil 3D, and any of the Autodesk packages. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I would like to see you in my next video. For now, bye bye.